Riley Keough, Michael Lockwood, and Priscilla Presley reach a settlement regarding Lisa Marie Presley's estate. The estate of Lisa Marie Presley has been resolved. After Lisa Marie passed away in January, Ed has confirmed that an arrangement has been reached over her inheritance between her mother, Priscilla Presley, her daughter Riley Keough, and Michael Lockwood, the father of her two minor children. The families are pleased, according to Priscilla's attorney Ronson J. Shamon, who also claims that all parties have reached a settlement. They have a lot of anticipation for the future. Riley is delighted, Riley's attorney Justin Gold tells Ed. She is a remarkable woman with a promising future. The settlement specifics were kept under wraps. The terms must be submitted by June 14th. In addition, the attorneys intend to submit a move to seal those terms. On August 4th, the judge is anticipated to rule on the motion. When Ed inquired about the settlement after learning of the arrangement, entertainment lawyer Mitra Aurian said that it most likely landed somewhere in the middle of what all the parties were demanding. A settlement indicates that certain agreements have been reached by both sides. She emphasized that they were no longer relying on the court to determine the case's outcome. They have come to an agreement and decided to file this settlement with the court so that it can be enforced, so that it is on the record, and so that we can sort of walk away. According to Aurian, the heart of the matter in this particular conflict was not about who gets what money, but rather who's going to play this key role in protecting the estate. The issue in this situation is who will serve as the trustee, manage the funds, and distribute them, as well as who will oversee their prudent investment and general protection, she continued. Aurian guessed what the contract may say. Perhaps they've decided to be joint trustees. They may have determined that Riley will handle some parts of money management while Priscilla will be in charge of X, Y, and Z. This coming together and cooperation on all sides would, in my opinion, be an element of a solution. The ideal result, in my opinion, is a settlement, Aurian continued. And it would be a relief for everyone to have this resolved, to be able to move on, and to come to some sort of agreement that everyone is happy with. When her representative told Ed that Graceland will belong to her three daughters, 33-year-old Riley and 14-year-old twins Harper and Finley, the controversy began the same month as Lisa Marie's passing. Riley and her brother Benjamin, who passed away in 2020, were later revealed to have been co-trustees of Lisa Marie's trust in 2016. Priscilla, on the other hand, made the decision to dispute the authenticity and validity of Riley's appointment, asserting that there are many issues surrounding it. Lockwood joined the conflict and asked the court to name him guardian ad litem so he could speak for the twins' best interests. Joel Weinschenker, a managing partner at Elvis Presley Enterprises, stood out in favor of Riley keeping her trustee position despite the legal dispute. Priscilla spoke about it in a statement to Ed. There is a person trying to speak on behalf of our family who purchased their way into the business. She continued, without naming the person, this person is not an agent for Elvis or our family. Please give us the time we need to resolve this together. I beg you to ignore the noise. I will continue to pave the way forward with respect, honesty, dignity, integrity, and love, just as I have always done for the legacy of Elvis Presley, our family, and the fans. Later, a source told Ed that Riley and her grandma aren't communicating at this time, and that Riley would prefer to settle this dispute privately even though they are both gearing up for court. She is devastated that this has become a public issue and is aware that her mother would never approve of this. Prior to the release of her new series, Riley has been attempting to maintain a positive approach and mood, according to the source. Riley is currently under a lot of stress. Her husband and daughter have been keeping her in good spirits.